Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you're a Valorant player experiencing server issues, you may have to wait a bit to jump back into the game. Valorant maintenance is currently underway as Riot Games looks to get players back into the action as fast as possible. 31 March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The first two steps in getting a Valorant closed beta code are pretty simple. Sign up for a Riot Games account. Sign up for a Twitch TV account. Link your Riot Games account to your Twitch TV account. The 23rd of May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.